Oh dear gosh. That is Major out of run number 60. Oh my, he was adopted from here a couple of years ago, 5 years ago, and I'm trying to see how you are with kitties, but don't look too good. Is he allergic? It must be.
I don't know, it looks like they shaved him down.
He's trying to. I don't know. That doesn't look like shaving down. He's got. Yeah, that's a.
I would say no.
That's a no for sure. That's a damn shame. He's not feeling. Yeah, that's. I know. Don't do that. Just, hi, honey. Hi. Can you have a cookie? See what he will do for a cookie. Can you open it up for me?
Oh, he's very food motivated.
Yeah, look at him. He's freaking emaciated. He sit? Oh, just break it in
You know,
pieces.
sit, shake, and lay down.
Well, let's see it. Just give him little pieces. Sit.
Sit.
Oh, snap. I remember him doing that earlier. Sit.
Easy.
All right, now shake. Sit. I
Sit.
remember him. Oh my gosh.
Sit.
Does she have teeth in his mouth still?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. He's smacking. All right. Are you regurgitating? That's what.
Sit. Sit. Sit, Major. Major. Sit. Sit.
Sit. Show me the cookie woman.
Sit.
There you go. Shake.
Shake. Give me your paw. Shake. Give me your paw. Shake. Give me your paw.
High five.
All right, lay down. Down. Major. Down. There, he's fixing to give me the paw. Down. Down. He knows.
He used to know it all, yeah.
Well, I have pictures outside doing it.
Oh, okay. He's just
Lay down.
Give me the damn treat.
Down. Down.
Oh, good boy.
Good boy.
I can't believe in how bad of shape he's in. That's animal abuse.
Come here. Shake. Sit down. Sit.
Yeah, it does look like he's shaved. You can see the marks, but he's also got some allergy.
Sit.
Some skin stuff.
Sit. Sit. Right. Shake. Give me your paw. Give me your paw. Shake.
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 Come on.
Give me your paw. Major. Shake. Shake. Oh, he did it outside.
It's like, woman, just give me the treat.
Mm-hmm.